G'day, I'm Gav.
And I'm Shez, and this is our Beneteau Oceanus 430 Astrid the Wombat. We're getting ready to sail around the world.
So hit subscribe and join us on our amazing adventure.
Welcome back to Sailing Astrid the Wombat. In our last episode, we got rid of our old toilet and had a new one installed. Join us for this episode to see what that new one looks like and come along for the ride for a big working bee on Astrid the Wombat. We hope you enjoy the episode. So guys, this is Paige.
Hi.
Paige is the youngest of our crew, so Gav's daughter, and she's having a great day today cleaning our boat for us.
She loves it.
She'll be back again and again, I'm sure.
Yeah.
But if she
For chicken sandwiches.
yes, she said anything for chicken sandwiches. If she does a good job, there's chicken rolls and a trip out to Green Island on the card. So let's hope she does well and we can do that. Meanwhile, I've been cleaning the guest bathroom because we had our new toilet installed. So let me show you that. So we're doing a bit of a clean on Astrid today. And discovering more Astrid things, so it's coming along well, but we are finding a few new things on Astrid that just keep popping up. I'll show you some of them. So here's our new toilet. They made a little pedestal for it, and it's looking really good. It's a full-size toilet, or as Gav likes to call it, a big bum toilet. So we've not really cleaned. Well, we did a quick clean in here when we first got the boat, but we've not really. It's been like a storage cupboard. So I've just been cleaning in here, and I found a couple of things that I didn't know we had. I'll show them to you. So this bathroom is not only has the head, but it also has a shower. So this pulls out and is a shower as well for guests here. And you can see we've got like a nice cupboard there and more storage down here, which is quite big. Storage. But what I found was this. So it looks like you can actually hang a shower curtain here, and I think that's what this is for. So I never knew we had that. So yeah, we can hook a shower curtain down on here, and there's the hooks for it. And then it will protect and keep the water inside the bathroom. So I think that's really cool. What a great idea. There's not one in our bathroom. Well, now I'm second guessing and wondering if there is, but I think it's only in here because it's a bit smaller. But yeah, we'll definitely be able to get a shower curtain to hang down there, which will be terrific. And I think it probably needs to have some sort of ocean life on it or something like that. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Maybe pufferfish shower curtain would be good. Okay, so the other thing I found was not quite as exciting as the shower rail. I've been cleaning the walls in here, and then I lift it up. So in here it's still got the vinyl roofing. It's pretty much been taken out of the rest of the boat because it's pretty crap and it starts to drop down. It looks a bit shit. So we'll probably eventually get rid of it in here as well, I think. And but anyway, it's in good condition, but it's lifted up at the edge. So you can see this corner here, it's lifted up at the edge here. Now, when I lift it up, oh my God, look at that. That is dirt and dust underneath there. So this was my clean wall. And this is all dirt and dust. So yeah, it's pretty gross. It's up, not so bad there, but gathered there. And I believe it's probably up here as well. Yeah, look at that. Ugh. So that's pretty disgusting. So, yeah, I'm going to have to get into that now. It's just uncovering layers and layers of stuff, isn't it? So we got a working bee today.
Yeah, have a look in there. Free labour. OCDing this.
Yeah.
So this is our donk. It's pretty new, probably we've talked about it before. It's a Yanmar, and it's 54 horsepower. It's got it's got maybe, I don't know, maybe 250, 300 hours on it. And what I noticed is some of the fittings are loose, so we're getting saltwater leaks from some of our fittings, so hoses. So I've just gone around and tightened them all up again, but one of the things I really noticed that kind of upset me is this is our starter motor, and you can see it. I don't know if you can see the rust, it's probably a little bit dark, but starter motor's got a bit of rust on it. So the solution for that, just for the minute, until I can have the time to actually pull a whole lot out, is to oh mate, here, WD-40. So just going to give it a bit of a spray around, and hopefully that'll keep the might as well do the engine mounts as well. Bit of rust there from salt water. Engine mounts, these ones look pretty good, but I'll give them a little spray anyway. Yeah, so that's the go, and we just topped up the oil as well, and everything looks hunky-dory. You're right?
Yeah.
Commitment.
So we recently did a walkthrough episode to show everything on the boat, but one bit that we didn't get to because all the bedding was there was what's underneath the main, like in the master, what's underneath there. And I'll show you that to you now. So this is our master bed here, and underneath on this bit here we've got the freshwater inspection there, so you can get into that. So tanks are underneath here, and then in here we've got stowage, so all under there. Oops, just lift this out, and more here. So these are the sets of drawers there that run into this stowage area, and then we've got more over here as well. So that's a massive area there that we've got to store stuff in too. So so much underneath this bed, but I just want to show you while we've got everything out, because it's not that easy. But we've just had the guest head installed, and all new pipes run, all new black water tank installed and all that stuff, so we had to have everything pulled out for it. So I've taken the opportunity. Underneath the couch here, there's storage as well, and then you can see storage there, up there, over there, on this side, more drawers here, and a hanging cupboard at the back there. So much in our room here, and then heaps in the bathroom here as well. So we've got an ensuite and so much storage in here too. So yeah, heaps of storage, but I just want to take the opportunity and show you that.
Hey! To-do list time, everybody. Whiteboard time. Sharon's got the pen for the whiteboard.
So we've done this one. Barbecue is back on.
Yeah.
Installing the toilet.
Done.
Done.
Just so you
Pulling out
know,
the cupboard.
no one's had a crap on the toilet yet. It's going to be I'll be the first.
Pulling out the cupboard. Done.
Did we do that?
Yeah, the cupboard in our room.
Oh yeah, done. Yeah.
Turn through hole cocks and valve. So that's when we haul out, isn't it?
Well, we should be doing that every 2 weeks.
Oh. So we've been doing that, haven't we?
No, that's that's why they're stuffed.
Oh.
And we need new ones. So
we've got to do a haul out.
Haul out.
And in the haul out we have to
Valves.
replace the valves.
Through holes.
Cutlass bearing.
All the yeah, that too, but all the hoses associated with it. We're going to have all new hoses everywhere. Yep. Cutlass bearing.
anti-foul.
Yeah. And prop speed. Right.
So we look to do that in the next, we've got to do it within 6 months, don't we? Because our valves
Need to
really
get done soon. Yeah.
Done soon.
Yeah.
We don't want to do it during storm season though, because here at the marina last storm season, all the boats on the hard got knocked over by the winds and it was not good.
No.
So we want to wait till that's over. So once the storm season's over, we'll haul out and we'll get everything done.
Take off step.
Yeah, we've got to fix the top step.
Yeah.
Thanks for that.
No worries. Here to help.
Repair steps. We've got to get another thing for the haul in, haul out line for the jib.
Oh yeah, we need
What do you call
to,
that thing? It's called a something from Mewers.
We need a...
One by something.
Yeah, we need a rigger.
Yeah, we do.
For the sails.
We need to buy one by something. I don't know what it's called.
Okay, we have to buy something.
Yeah. Mewers though, not... It's a thing, yeah.
Buy something from Mewers.
I installed the other two this morning.
That shouldn't be too hard for us to do that. So we need a rigger to fix our, we've got an issue with our halyard and our main pulley that we've talked about before, so we're going to get someone in to do that properly.
Yep.
We need to glue the vinyl in the spare bathroom, now I know that.
We need to paint. Oh, we got that in the, that's already number 19.
Still sitting there.
We need to make those hatch covers, that's there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's about it really, isn't it?
I think that's it.
That's not a lot.
It's not too bad.
No.
It's not too bad. We're tracking well for our plans.
Yeah, I think so.
On track.
We'll get it serviced. We'll get the motor serviced just before we leave, because that'll be about the right amount of hours. And we're also going to we'll get spare filters and all that sort of stuff as well while we're doing that. Any last words?
Gotta get to it.
Any last words?
What's Mewers?
Say chandlery, where you buy stuff, where you buy something from. That's what?
Sponsorship incoming.
No, I doubt it. Very good.
Do you want this one first or that one?
There you go. Whichever one you want. Let's pop this one.
Might need to be the other one, I think.
Okay.
Hey? Yeah.
Bring one on.
It is now.
Got to hang off it.
Oh, the line. Stop, 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 stop. Stop. The power cord's still attached.
Pull, pull, pull from here. Wait. Stop. Run that up, bud. Just walk it up there. You alright?
Yep.
Shit's a brick.
I was yelling, stop.
Stop.
Alright, we're good.
Did it pull tight?
Hey?
Did it pull tight?
Yeah.
The other boat?
It's alright.
Oh, take two, eh?
Quick, bud. You're on a weird thing here. I don't know what you're gonna have to go out forwards, are you? Okay, watch behind.
Join us next week as we finally make it out of the marina and over to the beautiful green island where we anchor up. Look at this amazing day. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We really hope you enjoyed the episode. Please hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. See ya.